Want to log into Instagram automatically without entering your password every time? Here's how to do it. First, open Instagram. Log into your account normally. Enter your username and password. Tap Log In. After logging in, Instagram will ask if you want to save your login info. Tap Save. This allows automatic login on that device. Next, make sure password saving is enabled on your phone. On iPhone, go to Settings. Tap Passwords. Make sure autofill passwords is turned on. On Android, go to Settings. Tap Passwords or Google Password Manager. Make sure password saving is enabled. Now, if you log out of Instagram, you won't need to enter your password again. Open Instagram. Tap your account. It will log you in automatically. You can also enable Face ID or fingerprint for faster access. Go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines in the top right. Tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Accounts Center. Set up login security and biometric login if available. Now your account stays saved on your device. You won't need to type your password each time. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.